Here's some advice on what you should do with the crypto market down. Let's talk about it. Cryptocurrencies are incredibly volatile and incredibly unregulated. Unlike the stock market, there are no breakers, meaning if something falls 5% or more with a short period of time, trading isn't halted in order to calm the markets. In cryptos, you're on your own if your favorite crypto drops 20%. If something can be hyped to such exaggerated gains in a matter of days, what did you expect to happen when actual news came out? So here's some advice, not financial advice. I have to say that disclaimer because you have to do your own research. Don't be a puppet. Anyway, there is one of three things you could do when you see the value of your cryptocurrency portfolio drop. 1. You can stop telling people you have diamond hands and just sell. The earlier in the drop, the better. You got out at a small loss from the all-time high. Now you can buy the dip. In cryptos, the dip is where you make your money. No one gets out at the top. You need those capital reserves to get back into the game. 2nd, you can hold. You have diamond hands and you're not a beta male, you're an alpha. Sure, your cryptos have dropped 50% in the last 2 days and it's your first time experiencing such a move downward. Welcome to the world of cryptos. If you haven't noticed or if no one has told you yet, you're going to see some wild ups and some wild downs. Stop looking at your account and just hold. You did the research and you know the cryptos you're backing is good. Whatever the case, only the strong survive, and whether it's the stock market, housing market, or crypto market, alphas see things through to the end and betas get out when it gets a little hot. 3rd, double down. Sure, your $50 investment didn't turn out so well. Instead of $1 million in 2 days, your $50 investment is worth only 25 bucks. Don't cry about that, you need to double down. You put the effort into researching which crypto has good fundamentals, now stick to your assessment. Nothing has changed but the price. Invest another $50 into that favorite crypto and average out your position. Boom, you just reduce your loss by putting more money into your investment. When everyone is selling, you're buying. You're an alpha and nothing scares you. In 2007, at the peak of the housing bubble, the price of real estate abruptly dropped, sometimes as much as 80%. Guess what? Even if you bought at the very top, real estate has recovered and you'd still be profitable today. Yes, cryptos are, for the most part, just digital representations of money, but they always come back. Bitcoin was at $19,000 in 2017. Would you have bought then? Some did. Then it soon dropped to $6,000. Ouch. But we all know how that story went. You could have bought Bitcoin at $19,000 at its peak. Then when it dropped to $6,000, you could have just bought it again and boom, after a few years, you'd be swimming in digital cash. So what if Bitcoin fell recently? Those profits will continue, just be an alpha. Of course, with all this being said, invest only what you're comfortable losing. Be smart and do your own research. So what are your thoughts? Are you buying during this broad dip in cryptos? If you like this video, hit that like button, consider subscribing. I talk about money and everything related to it, so don't miss out. And as always, take care of your money.